Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to use input, print using inputs. Alright, so this one is like when you are asked a question, you need to answer. You're going to be asked, then you're going to answer the question. So like if I say print, then choose this one, enter. So maybe the question is like, uh, how old you? The question. So how do you answer? You say age, because we're talking about age. You say age equal to input. Input. Alright. Then you make it double inverted commas. Then the question is how old are you? Then you put your answer there. So but now you are, let me say print that, and the response is going to be you are, comma, and you are age. So this variable age is this one. So whatever number that you put is going here. So you are, yeah. So whatever number old, you are years old. Say yes. All right. So meaning you're going to get a question. So you input that number, then it's gonna respond by saying you are the age. If I'm 13 years, it's gonna say you are 13 years old. So let's see. Let's see. You see, how old are you? You click there. So let me say 13. When you say enter, it's gonna respond by saying you are 13 years old. Okay, so let's run again. How old are you? So 18, enter. You are 18 years old. Okay guys, uh that's it for this video. See you on the next one. Please click the like button and subscribe.